Hi, everybody. Welcome back to our English lesson with me, Teacher Phoebe. Today, we are going to look at part 2 as well, but part 2 today is going to be telling the time. But this time, we are going to try to tell the time in word. Before we look at it, let's review the number first. I'm sure everybody knows the number, right? Let's look at this one. The first one, number 1. How do you spell number 1? Together, 1, 2, 3. O-N-E. Nice. 2. How do you spell 2? 3, 2, 1, go. T-W-O. And 3, go. T-H-R-E-E. Nice. 4. How do you spell 4? 3, 2, 1. F-O-U-R. 4. Good. Next one, repeat after me. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Very good. Alright, repeat after teacher one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Alright, let's look at this one. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a clock. You can see the number. Normally we will see number 1 all the way to number 12. But these small numbers, normally we don't have it in the watch, but we are going to look how to read them. Alright, let's get started. Everybody look at the short indicator. The short indicator tell you the hour. Tell us the hour. What is the hour? For example, if this point at number 3, so it's 3 o'clock, right? Normally, we will see the long indicator as this one. The long indicator tells us the minutes. Tell us the minutes. Visit the number, the small number 5, 10, 15 to number 60 are the minutes. So let's look at it. You will see normally there will be a small tick here, which is count as 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. To be easy to remember, number 1 is 5 minutes. Number 2, 10 minutes. Number 3 is 15, all the way to 55 and 60. But when it's 60 minutes, we don't read it as 60 minutes. Let's look at how we read the time together. Look at this one. Normally, we can tell just the number, right? For example, if you see the long indicator point at number 12 and the short indicator point at number 11. So remember, short indicator tell you the hour. So what time is it now? It's 11, right? And what is the minute? This one tell you the minute. The minute is 60, but we don't write 60. This one is O as this one. How do we read this one? This one is very good. It's 11. This number is 11, or we call it at it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Easy? Alright. Next one. What if the short indicator point at number 1? Number 1. And the long indicator point all the way to number 1. This one. Oh, the short indicator point at number 2, right? Alright, how do we read this one? The short one, hour, is 2, right? 2. And the minute is 05. And now we are going to look at how to read this time in another way. Normally we can just read it as easy as it's 2:05. Easy, right? So as this one, you can see the word past and to. How? So if the long indicator, now we are focusing on the long indicator. If the long indicator is in the yellow part or from number 1 to number 5, this one we are going to use the word past. For example, number 1 is in the yellow part, right? So this one, we read this one as it's. We are going to tell the minute first. How many minutes? It's 5 minutes, right? It's only 5 minutes here. So it's 5 past. And then look at the short indicator as number 2. It's 5 past 2 as this one. Pretty simple. Alright. Next one. How about 2? How do we use 2? For the 2 one. Alright, imagine the short indicator is pointing at number 6. And then the long indicator point all the way to number 10. So what's the time? The hour is 6, right? So write 6. And the minute is 50. So it's 6:50. Right. So in this side, we are going to use 2. 2. How? Again, we are going to tell the time. So look at this one. It's. Normally, we should tell the minutes. But this one, we will tell how many minutes left until the next hour. So that means you need to use this number and this number. So you will use 60 minus 50. So we got 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. Right? So this one is going to be 10. And use this one. It's 10 to the next hour. So now the hour is 6. The next hour will be 7. So it's 10 to 7. Like this. Alright, let's try another one. Let's try another example. Let's see. If the short indicator is pointing at number 12 and the long indicator is pointing at number 8. Oops, sorry. Number 8, like this. So, again, remember the time in number 8, it's 12. The minute is 40. 12:40. And now try to tell the time using 2. So begin it. It's. Remember, we use this and this. 60 minus 40 is equal to tick tock, yes, very good, 20. So this one is, it's 22. And now the number is 12. The next hour is number 1. So it's gonna be, it's 20 to 1. Oh, excuse me, you need to write this one as the word. It's 20 to 1. Alright, got it? Yeah, it's not hard. So now let's move to the next part. What if the long indicator is pointing at number 6? Normally number 6 is 30 minutes. So the time now is 5:30. How can we tell the time? Again, this one. Half. We call it half. Repeat after teacher. Half. Nice. So this one is gonna be, it's half past. Past, remember, we need to use the number before the short indicator. So this one is half past 5. Half past 5. Very good. Or what if the short indicator is pointing at number 11? So this one is, it's half past what number? So the short indicator is here. We need to use the number before it. So it's half past 10. Alright, let's look at the next one. How about this? What if the long indicator is pointing number 9? Normally, if the long indicator is pointing at number 9, that means it's 45 minutes, right? So if it's 15 minutes or 45 minutes, we have a specific word for it. If it's the 9, we use a quarter to. Repeat after me. A quarter to. So this one, it's, alright, let's tell it together. It's a quarter to. If we use the word to, we use this side of the short indicator. So this one is a quarter to 10. It's a quarter to 10. Nice. Next one. What if it's pointed number 3? Remember, number 3 is 15 minutes. So this one is 12:15. 12:15, right? In word, it could be like this. 12:15. Again, if it's the long indicator is pointing at number 3, we use a quarter past. Repeat after me. A quarter past. A quarter past. Like this one. And also we use the indicator, the left side of the indicator, the short indicator. So the answer of this one is a quarter past 12. A quarter past 12. Very good. Alright, let's tell the time together. What if the short indicator is pointing at number 5 and the long indicator is pointed at number 12? What time is it? This one is 5 o'clock. Very good. 5 o'clock. Only when the long indicator is pointing at number 12. Only when long indicator pointing at number 12, we use a clock. If not, we don't use the clock, we just use the minute of it. Alright. Alright, everybody. That's it for our lesson today. Don't forget to go to the Google Sheet form and finish the exercise. If you have the question, remember you got teacher's slide or ask in the group. Alright, thank you for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you again next week. Bye!